Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Devansh Best, and in today's video we're going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's start the video. So guys, there are 4 lessons in this video. First lesson is knowing the pieces. Second is to make the cross. Third, solving the edges. And fourth, the last layer. So let's start the video. So let's know the pieces. This is a centerpiece which is fixed, as you can see. It never changes its direction. The next is the edge. And the third is the corners. To make a cross, all you need to do is choose a center, like I'm using white. The opposite center of white is yellow. So put the white edges like near the yellow. However, and then put them in their like respective centers, these edges, like this. So your cross is ready. Very simple. So to solve the corners and edges, you need to find a corner which has a white sticker like this. So, and look out the 2 other colors also, like orange and green. So find an orange and green center. It's here. So D, L prime, D prime, L. So your first corner is completed. And there are some other cases also, like you see that the corner with white sticker is upwards. So for that, you put it down, bring it down, remove it, and then put it back the same way. Very simple. So your first layer is completed. Now to solve the second layer, you need to find the edge which has no yellow sticker. Like it has a yellow sticker, it has a yellow sticker, it has a yellow sticker, but it does not have. So go through this sticker, like here is red, then go to the red center. Turn to the opposite side of the color which is upwards, like blue. So blue is on my left, so I'll turn right, up, again left, and do it just the way you solved the first line. So first edge is complete. This edge consists of red and green. Go to the red piece. The green is to my right, I'll turn left, then left, then right, up, and my two edges are done. Now the other two, orange and blue, orange center, blue is to my right, I'll turn left, up, then right, down. So my third edge is also ready. And there's another case, like your edge is like twisted, like you can see that in my cube orange and green are there, like the piece is there, but you can't like find it in any of the edges in here. So R prime, U prime, R, and solve it the same way. So now you can find the edge upwards. So now I am keeping it here to the green center. Orange is to my right, so left, up, right, down. So your second layer is also ready. So to solve the last layer, there are 4 cases you may find. First is the dot, second is the L, third is the line, and fourth is the cross. Okay, so to make the cross you need to make an algorithm. It will be there in the screen. Front clockwise, R clockwise, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now I have an L, cue like this, F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now there is a line. So finally I got a cross. Now we're going to solve the corners. But first we need to match the edges with the centers. Like you can see, it's matching. This is not. It's not. So keep a cube like this and do another algorithm. So now our edges are solved. You need to do it till the edges don't go to their respective centers. Now finally the corners. So for that you need to first see that whether are those like twisted, like you can see it's not red, yellow, green, green, yellow, orange. So it's not same, same, and same. So there is an algorithm to solve it. Do this till you get all your like corners twisted, like oh sorry. So as you can see, luckily my two corners are solved, but still other two are like twisted. So there is another algorithm to solve these two corners, and you have to do it until you get a yellow sticker. R prime, D prime, or D, R prime, D prime, or D. R prime, D prime, or D, R prime, D prime, or D, R prime, D prime, or D, R prime, D prime, or D. So your Rubik's Cube is solved. So thanks for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.